Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to set a live wallpaper on PC. Setting a live wallpaper on PC is super easy and simple to do it. You first have to go to the Microsoft Store, and once it gets open, then you have to search for Lively Wallpaper. This is an official app by the Microsoft Store. You can just simply click onto it, and after that you have to install it. The installation will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Once the installation is done, then you have to simply open it up. To open it up, you can click on open, and further it will open with a bunch of different live wallpapers. Within that, you can select any one of these, whatever you like. So here you can see is a collection. Whatever you like the most, whatever you think will look the best on your PC as a live wallpaper, you can click onto it. Further, it has some categories, you can go within that. Otherwise, simply click onto any one of these, and after that, that specific wallpaper will be set as your live wallpaper for your PC. So that's how you will be able to set live wallpaper for your PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.